What's good, Scott Gang, man? Right now we're in the kitchen. We're about to get this chicken Alfredo on deck, man. We got the chicken breast right here. You know what I'm saying? Finna get that cleaned up. You know what I'm saying? About to get that going, you feel me? Cooking with the Scott family #1. Let's get it. You gotta have the wide egg noodles. You gotta have those. You gotta have them. And the Alfredo sauce, which is in the car. I'll be right back. Alright, Scott Gang, we back. You know what I'm saying? Got the pot. And of course you gotta wash your hands, that's a must. You know what I'm saying? Wash your hands. I'm about to wash the meat off. You know what I'm saying? And I'm finna put the noodles on right now. I got the pot, I got the boiler, I got the noodles. Finna put them on, have those going right quick. Alright. We're gonna cook all that. We're gonna cook all that. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Okay, we're gonna fill that up with some water. Y'all see that, Scott Gang? Putting that water in there, man. Ah, that should be enough. Let's see that. Let's get that on. That fire on. We're gonna put that on medium. That's the Alfredo sauce. I think I need to go get another one of them. So I'm most definitely gonna get another one of those. Hold the camera. You feel me? Cooking with the Scott family. What? They put up, they locked up. The bike's gone for the summertime. Alright, Scott Gang, you know what I'm saying? Scott family. We in here, man. We got the noodles on right now. Right now I'm finna clean these chicken breasts. Drop them in the sink. I probably cook like 1, 2, 3 of those things. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it on the drawers for me. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna rinse these things off. Show me rinsing it off, man. Show me rinsing it off. You know, you gotta get them things clean, you feel me? I got a cutting board, but right now I feel like looking for it. So we're gonna set these right here on that. Get that going. Put the camera on me. Hey, chicken Alfredo about to be crazy. You feel me? About to be fire. Put the camera on me, man. You know what I'm saying? Scott Gang, man. Make sure y'all wash your hands too. You know what I'm saying? Got that young soap. Make sure you wash your hands when you're touching that meat, raw meat. Keep your hands washed. You know?
Okay. Are you so hot?
I'm finna get this chicken cut up. I'll be right back, alright? Scott Gang. Y'all see I got the coconut oil. I'm finna put some of this right here in this skillet right here. You know what I'm saying? Hold the camera for me.
Hold the camera.
Oh, you're not going there. I say nothing else.
What?
So, I'm finna put some of that in there. Let that melt down. Finish cutting these up. What I tell you yesterday?
If I wash the dishes.
No, you ain't washed nothing.
If I do your feet.
No, I'm doing the Scott family thing right now, so you got homework, so I don't
No,
want to
I don't.
No, you're not.
I don't got no homework.
So you got these cut up. Let's come off here. No, but matter of fact, we're gonna season these up. We're gonna season that up. That cut up. gonna season that. Put the camera on me. Y'all see how I'm doing that? Y'all see how I'm doing it? Cooking with the Scott gang. You feel me? The Scott family. So, hey. It's a blessing, man. Cook for the family. Cut that fat off. When I get done with this, then you can go. I want to see your homework.
Alright. Now you want me to go get it?
I'm doing this right here. You hold the camera for me.
I'm gonna look at your face.
You put it on my face. But yeah, Scott gang. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do that. You gotta get that meat cut out. We're gonna get it seasoned up real good. We're gonna clean it off one more time. You know? We're gonna drop that in there. Let's cut that fat off. We don't want that. We don't want that fat. Chicken Alfredo, baby. Homemade chicken Alfredo. Real you dig. Not that stuff out the box. Okay. We're gonna drop it in the sink down with that knife. We're gonna get that washed up. Put the camera on me.
You want to do this?
Put it on me. So, I'm gonna get this right here seasoned up. I got that Montreal chicken. Y'all see that? I season it. Yeah. Gonna get that seasoned up real good. Get that seasoned up real good. Joshua, leave her alone. Leave her alone, Joshua.
There you go, mute it.
Drop them in that grease. Push your hand off. Y'all see that? Yeah. It's your boy, man, Tyrone, Scott family. If y'all cooking with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this lid on it right here. I'm gonna stir these noodles up. Get this spoon right here. Wash that off. And we're gonna stir these noodles up. You know what I'm saying? Till they get nice and soft. Let them get a boil going on. You know? Up there. But yeah, man, y'all cooking with the Scott family, man. I'm gonna be right back. We're gonna let this chicken cook a little bit. And when it get a little bit more done, I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, how, you know what I'm saying, let that meat just get just right, you know what I'm saying, get it cooked all the way through. And I'll be right back, alright? Peace. Look, I'm finna show y'all this meat, man, what it's looking like, because it's looking good and it's smelling good. You put a little bit of coconut oil, you know what I'm saying? That's what I cook with. It's no cholesterol, you know what I'm saying? And it's bomb, you know what I'm saying? It's good for you. You see that? See that meat? See that meat? You know what I'm saying? We're going to cut that in half right there. Y'all see that meat cooking through? Y'all see that meat cooking through? Look, don't take that long, and it's going to be juicy too. It don't take that long, you know what I'm saying? For that meat to cook up. You see that? Another few more minutes, that meat gonna be done. Seasoned just right. We're gonna put that in the strainer. We're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it going, man. Y'all cooking with the Scott family. So make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, give me some thumbs up, share this video. You know what I'm saying? Let's build this channel from the ground up. Most definitely, man, y'all cooking with the Scott family, man. We lit every day. every night, every day we lit. You feel me? Sky family, let's go. See them noodles? See them noodles over there? See them noodles? Yeah. Gotta get them to a boil. I'm gonna turn that up a little bit. All right, y'all. Y'all see them noodles done? Those noodles done, man. I need a. And that chicken. This is the first batch of chicken that I cooked. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that chicken? Man, beautiful, man. Look at that. Look at that focus. Go ahead and focus. Y'all see that chicken? Oh, man. Fire. You know what I'm saying? Delicious. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm finna use this right here. I'm gonna use the big boiler with those noodles in there. Finish cooking that chicken right there. Put that Alfredo sauce in there. I'm gonna run to the store and get another one. And you know what? And dinner gonna be done, man. I might cook some garlic bread. I'm gonna cook some garlic bread. That's what I'm gonna cook with that. Y'all stay tuned, man. Sky Gang, let's go, baby. Yeah, y'all see that? I'm gonna pour that salt on, man. Look at that. And that's what you do here, man. You see that little extra salt, all that sauce in there? We're gonna put a little water in there. We're gonna put a little bit, not too much. We ain't gonna do too much, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put the top on that, you dig? Shake it up. Get the rest of that, you know what I'm saying? That's how you do that. We're gonna get the rest of that. And look at that. Look at that. Bam. Get the rest of that, you dig? You feel me? Take the spoon. Look at that. We're gonna stir that thing up, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get that. Oh man, look at that. I don't like my Alfredo sauce. Ooh, fogging up the thing, my bad, y'all. Fogging that up. But look, I don't like my Alfredo sauce, my Alfredo dry. So I gotta go get me another one. I don't like it dry, so. Ooh-wee. So that's it, man. I'm finna drop this chicken in there and stir that up. Y'all gonna see the finishing touch, man. I'm gonna go get the garlic bread in another jar. And let's go, man. We finna eat good, man. So y'all cooking with the Sky family. Y'all already know what it is, man. Plug one more time. Subscribe. Hit that like button, man. We're gonna be bringing y'all these videos. We're gonna be cooking everything. Soul food. You know what I'm saying? Baked macaroni. We're gonna cook it. We're gonna hook it up. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. You feel me? Let's go, baby. Oh, that's good, y'all. Y'all see that? It's looking good, man. I'm finna go get the extra sauce so it won't be dry. And that garlic bread. You know what I'm saying? That was a quick meal. You know what I'm saying? Something real good for the family. You know what I'm saying? Cooking with the Sky Gang family. The Sky family. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. Share my video. Share it on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your Twitter. Whatever y'all can share it on, share it. You feel me? Just get them subscribers, man. Let's build it up. Let's build it up. You feel me? I'll be right back, man. I'm finna go get this garlic bread and another Alfredo sauce, and we good. All right. All right, y'all. I fixed my kids some plates, some bowls, whatever you want to call it. I got the garlic bread in the oven, smelling good. And that's the end of that cooking, you know what I'm saying? It's cooking vlog. It's cooking, you know what I'm saying? Cooking with the Sky family. I'm gonna let y'all, I'm gonna ask my daughter, I'm gonna let her eat when she eat. And say, you know what I'm saying, let her see how things is. I'm gonna go ahead and get that thing graded, you feel me? Let them know what they think about it, alright? Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Again, once again, the Sky family, cooking with the Sky family. Let's go, baby. We out.
Let's
Peace.
get it! Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my daily channel. Y'all know it.
Say we out.
We out!